This is our 1971 Mercury Comet GT. We've owned it for 15 years. The color is Ford Zinc Yellow with a black GT stripe. This is a rare car. There were a third the amount of Comets made compared to Mavericks in the 70s, and significantly less GT Comets were made and are still on the road. The wheels are 15-inch Cragar SS Mags. Everyone in the 70s wanted to run Cragar Mags. The paint job is approximately 17 years old and has a lot of clear coat, which helps keep it protected from the elements. The rear spoiler was added to the trunk lid, and you can see dual exhaust coming out the back. The rear windows flare out instead of rolling down. The Comet GT came with dual front bucket seats instead of a bench seat. The rear seat is still a standard bench seat. The 71 and 72 models had a package tray under the dashboard. A locking glove box was not available until the 73 model. We've added a few underdash gauges for oil pressure, temperature, and voltage. Much better than relying on the light-up warnings in the original gauges. We've also added a classic wood steering wheel. The GTs came with a Ford 302. This is an updated 302 HO motor. We've added an Edelbrock RPM performer intake, a Holley 600 4-barrel carb, 100 amp distributor, custom-made aluminum radiator, and an auxiliary electric fan. The ignition is an electronic DuraSpark 2 system with an MSD coil. It does not have power steering or brakes. This makes it really fun to drive like the old days. The transmission is a Ford C4 connected to 355 gears and a Ford 8-inch rear end. It has hooker headers leading to Flowmaster mufflers. Let's hear it run.